The following is vocabulary to express other family relationships. We're going to go over the sentences. The first one is Steve is my stepfather. He is my mother's second husband. A stepfather, meaning in Spanish, padrastro. A stepfather. Julia is my stepmother. She is my father's second wife. A stepmother, meaning in Spanish, madrastra. Then Lance is my stepbrother. His mother married my father. A stepbrother, meaning hermanastro. Ashley is my stepsister, meaning hermanastra. Cody is my stepson. I married his father 3 years ago. Stepson, meaning hijastro. Tanya is my stepdaughter. I married her mother when Tanya was 3. Stepdaughter, meaning hermanastra. In the case of these terms, a stepfather, stepmother, stepbrother, stepsister, a stepson, and a stepdaughter, there is no a family or relationship. That means there is not a blood relationship. But let's have a look at these sentences. Darcy is my half-sister. We have the same mother, but different fathers. Half-sister means media hermana. In this case, they have the same mother, but different fathers. So they have a blood relationship. Jake is my half-brother. Half-brother meaning medio hermano. So, well, in this case, yeah, there's definitely a blood relationship because they share either the mother or the father. So, well, continue practicing pronunciation of other family relationships.